Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about poly B piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on. All right, Graham.
Yeah.
Got another question for you in our weekly Poly B series.
All right.
This person asks, is Poly B plumbing bad?
Well, Corey, we've been working on this for a couple weeks now. I'd say we play a little whose line is it anyways and have you answer this question. So, is poly B plumbing bad?
Well, yes, it's definitely bad for a lot of different reasons that I've learned working with you over the past few months. But you're the expert here. You're doing the video. Let's hear it.
Well, poly B plumbing is bad because it deteriorates on a molecular level, causing pinhole leaks and fractures that will eventually leak and flood your house. So, there you have it. Poly B plumbing is bad.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Poly B. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.